play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no.
Buenas tardes. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to The Theater is Here. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for being with us. Let's kick off. My name is Fabián, Blanco, CEO of Telefonica Safety Engineering. With me, Miguel Borja, National Defense Officer, and Nicholas Zylberglajt, Unmanned Live CEO. My apologies for my pronunciation. So, Telefonica Safety Engineering is a Telefonica subsidiary specialized in integral technological safety. We've been in the industry for more than 35 years. Our mission is to innovate to make sure your world is a safer place. We operate in 5 countries, in 2 continents, with a relevant impact in the ESPAM business. We operate 5 major business lines. The first one is national security defense, B2B security business, security infracorp, security for small and medium-sized enterprises, and there's a unit devoted to national defense, and there's an important Now, we've been working in this area for many years. I believe that we have a very complete value proposition based on 5 pillars or points. We combine cutting-edge technologies in the field at the international level. We have carried out research on an infinity of drone technologies. We work with the top partners. We work smoothly with our partners to develop this sort of solutions. Then the third element that needs to be underlined has to do with our team. We have invested in talent acquisition and development to Telefonica's team, and I believe that we are solvent when it comes to supporting our customers, solving any security scenario. As Telefonica, we have the best possible connectivity, including the 5G deployment, and we incorporate for this very important area edge solutions. And of course, as Telefonica Group, we incorporate advancements in artificial intelligence, cloud solutions, cybersecurity, and operations in the 5G environment. So, we've been in the market for a long time, but we've been in Telefonica for a few months only. And we said at the beginning, welcome to the theater. But the theater is here, and you're going to be able to see it in a live demo for you to see all the different capabilities we have as Telefonica, as TIS, and with our partner Unmanned Live. I believe that we've also been pioneers in the field. I must say that we are the first corporate headquarters where we've been allowed to fly drones to secure our headquarters and to, of course, carry out other operational tasks. And it hasn't been easy. It's been a major effort because you require flying permits, data protection requirements, and I believe we are ready to help our customers solve their safety gaps and bridges. We are ready to support our customers in any business case that they might require related to the business environment of drones. I'm going to hand it over to Miguel Borja, who is going to zoom into our value proposition. To cut a long story short, it goes from detection, inhibition, consulting, operations, and Unmanned Life, which provides all the environment and the automation segment. Miguel, the floor is yours. Thank you very much for your time. As Fabián already mentioned, we've been working for 8 months in a complete drone ecosystem. Here is our tech partner, the most relevant one, Unmanned Life, with its drone fleet management solution that we'll see later on. We have deployed it in our corporate headquarters, and then we have deployed counter-intelligence systems to throw down any illicit drone. We also develop the hardware, the drone itself. Here we have a wide range of personalized solutions depending on the customer needs and depending on the scenario where we want to operate, indoors, outdoors, or random. That means we can adjust to any potential need. Then there's operations where, of course, we fly autonomous flights, but we always like having a control center that might be or can be a remote control center. It's not a large office with many people working. No, the control system is the one where we manage operations. All this is based on 5G communications, the edge supplied by Telefónica. We're speaking about a holistic solution with many related services, such as the consulting and customer service services, and of course, legal platform. We integrate with all platforms or third-party analytics required to extract relevant data, communications, 5G. What we are going to be checking today is the video quality and fluidity thanks to the deployment of 5G communications in Telefonica all around the country. And then pilot projects, information. Telefonica, beyond being an operator, a drone operator, is also a training operator for drone pilots and electronics. Of course, we adjust to different possible scenarios. We adapt to different scenarios to see what customers need. And in a few seconds, I'm going to give you just a teaser here. We're going to see a real-time example from Distrito Telefonica. What will we have here? Well, our drone fleet, which are 100% sensorized to prevent accidents, crashes. We have equipped our drones with payloads, high-quality cameras that provide neat images that can be later on assessed. Then we have to safely define a takeoff and landing point. We coordinate with our safety department, and this has been spotted between east and west. Then we need to identify our area of interest. We want to position individuals within Distrito Telefonica. If we detect someone where there should be no one, it means something's wrong. And then we need to define our flight plan. We need to draw the area where we want to allow our drones to fly around. And then there's the mission, and that is what we're going to see right away. Can we connect with Madrid and launch the mission? So here are the drones in Distrito Telefónica. We're gonna select one. We would insert the flight characteristics. Of course, here we have uploaded a predefined mission, otherwise it would take a while to design it. Once it's been uploaded into the drone, there we go, it's been uploaded, and now we launch the mission. Of course, this will ask you to confirm the mission first. The system will ask you to confirm the mission, and right away, hopefully, if things go well, it should start flying. There we go. There go the drones overflying Distrito Telefónica in Madrid. The process is 100% automated. The analytics is a safety analytics related to spotting people wandering around, loitering in the premises. And we receive information about the flight. All these parameters can be updated over the course of the flight. And here we can launch any potential modification. I would like to say also that Distrito is a very difficult environment because, as you know, it's very close to the Madrid airport, and there are several heliopods. So it's rather difficult to obtain these authorizations. No, it's not easy, believe me. So it's been difficult to obtain these permits, thanks to well, we are very close to the airport, several heliopods, so probably it's the worst possible scenario to carry out a flight. The thing is that we can finally say we made it. The interesting thing here is that drones are much more interesting than they look. So here we are carrying out a safety mission, but with the same drone we can perform other actions if we equip them with the necessary sensors. And then we need to adapt to other business cases, depending on how you equip the drone, depending on the technology you equip it with, you improve its operational capacity. Human detection, any analytics that can be performed on a video. Well, we've done so. Behavior detection, biometric analysis, anything that can be. Well, this allows us to bring the video to the edge and carry out the analytics. At the end of the day, we have been working in environments such as wildfires, with firefighters. We've been working in Austria also. So at the end of the day, many different operations that can be done with the same drone. We've been working also in critical infrastructure management. And The interesting thing is that the algorithm can be trained with human beings, chemical waste, animal lifting. It's just the typical algorithm training. Drones are just a tool, and we'll present the platform in a few moments. Of course, we can add other robots to the tool, and this is the strength and the benefit of the platform, of the technology. And a drone, well, it gives us human vision, speed, obstacles. So at the end of the day, it gives you many strengths, many benefits. It's also very important to mention that this is compliant with GDPR, data privacy regulations. It's key and very complex indeed. It's not easy to comply with GDPR. Well, at the end of the day, autonomous fleets, if we want to do an autonomous security tour, we do not even have to launch the mission. It's 100% autonomous, and the mission would be done automatically. So I believe this is extremely efficient, and at the same time it combines. Oh, and it's near a highway. This is yet another challenge that we have experienced. Of course, authorizations have not been easy. We are pioneers, so we are the ones that have had to suffer the burden of obtaining the necessary permits, flying permits.
Parece simple.
It looks simple, but it's not. It's rather a milestone, I would say.
But to be launched from Barcelona and be flying in Madrid, this is a very important milestone that nobody else in the world is doing today.
Y ahora os dejo con...
And I'm going to leave you with Nicholas. Nicholas, please go ahead.
And for us at Unmanned Life, there is no better thing than to see a happy customer and happy face in our partner than to be talking about our technology. And thank you very much, Fabián, and thank you very much, Miguel.
You're welcome.
So I'm Nicholas Zylberglajt. I'm the CEO of Unmanned Life. So I want us to take one step back. I want to put all this a bit into context and why we are cooperating with Telefonica. So we believe that the future is autonomous, yeah? And to enable that autonomous future, to unleash the full potential of robots in enterprise, in cities, we believe that you need to be able to orchestrate them, to make them work together, yeah? And this is what we have created, the software platform for seamless orchestration of autonomous robotics. We are that intelligent central brain that is providing that seamless orchestration of autonomous robotics. So this is our solution. We are that intelligent central brain that is able to deploy, manage, and control swarms of drones and robots. Now, why are we doing it? Why are we doing this with Telefonica? Why are we here at MWC? Because we are building the robotics platform for the telecoms. Because we are able to provide the flexible and interoperable robotic solutions for their industrial customers. What you're seeing today, what you have seen today, is only one use case, because of course, Rome has not been built in one day, right? So we need to start with one use case, but you need to have a platform approach, because then you have the scalability, you have the connectivity, you have the network approach, and then you scale. You have the same capabilities, copy and paste. You build the capabilities, copy, paste, then you go to the next use case. So now, this is a very basic platform architecture. We start with drones, but then we can add mobile ground robots. We can add the legged dogs that you have seen here. When a drone will see somebody trespassing, why can't you send a dog to go and check what is happening on site. This intelligent brain can see what is happening, can send that command, can send that control, and do that. So we transform individual robots into fleet of intelligent robots. Yeah? We transform individual robots into autonomous industrial use cases. Now, this very simple platform architecture is to show you why are we doing this? Because there is a very increasing demand. There is an increasing demand of autonomous solution. This is happening now. There is an expanding adoption of autonomous solution. It is happening. It will happen. Sectors are in need of autonomy. We see it in Industry 4.0. We see it in smart cities. But also there is a request, there is a demand for sustainability. There is a demand for social responsibility. And yes, robotics can help to decrease the carbon footprint. Think how robots will make all the processes more efficient. Think about how you will replace cars with autonomous vehicles. This will help to do that. So we are doing this also because there is a huge market to address. Because we are going to reinvent telco, we are generating new revenue streams, we are going to monetize 5G. We are doing this together. And we're doing this also because there is a huge market and there is a huge problem. Look at the numbers. By 2025, 37 million of autonomous mobile robots are going to be deployed. 17 million commercial drones are going to be deployed. 100,000 commercial IT systems are going to be deployed. Look at this complexity. How are you going to manage all this? So you need an intelligent central brain. And this is what we're doing, and this is what we are putting together with you. So yes, surveillance, we are starting here. But this is what we are building. We are building the autonomous future. And these are all the use cases that we are building with Telefonica. But not only with Telefonica, we are building with other telcos. And this is why we are here also at the Mobile World Congress. We are working very closely with other telecom companies. We have been invested by TELUS. We are here with our very precious partners from TELUS. Thank you for being here and supporting us. And we are very happy that you are here. And we're working with other telcos because we are building the autonomous robotics platform for the telcos. So thank you very much. The future is here. Thank you very much for your support. We're very happy to be launching this product with you. And the future is not only here, but it's also very bright. Thank you very much.
Thank you. ¿El vídeo ahora, no?
Sí.
Ya.
Just to finalize, we are recapping on the demo. Very important, we are showing it again in English for those who could not understand. Two drones are inspecting two different sides of the headquarters of Telefonica. Important that you can swarm, you can control fleets. You have the full permits here. You are controlling fleet of drones, all connected through the network from Telefonica over 5G. You have the permits connected next to the highway. You are flying over headquarters on 20,000 people. Here you can see the interface, the AI analytics. As I said, all these GDPR compliant. Very interesting to see. The AI algorithms are checking people, but they can also check, in other cases, spillovers of chemical. They can check animals, whatever you can train these beautiful, beautiful images. We are very happy to answer all your questions. But again, we are starting here, and this is the future of autonomous surveillance.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bueno, muchísimas gracias. También
Thank you very much indeed, and thank you very much to all of you here or through streaming. We'll be around in case you have any question or any issue that you would like to raise. We are at your disposal. Thank you very much.